I'm too poor.
I guess I gotta restart. Okay, this time I'm not going to do that. This time
Remove the front one. 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 Okay. Here. So I'm gonna do that, right? I'm gonna put the idiot monkey like right here, and then we're gonna start. And once I get larger service area, I'm gonna give you money. Put yours next to mine. Or never mind. That's fine. I don't have to give a shit.
I sold it to try and get the money back, and I forgot that I got it for free, so there was no
I don't have to give a shit there. I don't have to give a shit there.
on.
I don't have to give a shit there.
Well, I have to so I'm just gonna hope that I didn't accidentally break something.
What the hell? What the
Imagine this whole time my mic just wasn't on.
What the hell? What the hell?
You know that'd actually be really funny.
What?
If there was a guy that like played games and like recorded videos while on a call with another person, but made it so that whenever he was on the call, no one would be able to hear the other person. So it just sounded like it just looked like he was schizophrenic and like talking to himself.
Schizophrenic. I feel like I'm schizophrenic sometimes.
Yeah, I feel like everyone does.
Are you real?
No.
What the hell?
Please get sentry gun for your goddamn.
Yes, okay, I'm poor, I'm broke. Okay, there you go. Are you happy?
Yes, actually.
Okay. Hey, wanna hear something cool?
No.
What do you think?
I probably remember this strategy, okay?
Okay.
I'm
Bro, collect your bananas, bro! Collect your bananas!
Oh, I didn't even see him.
Just...
I had the tab open, so I thought I was collecting them, but I wasn't.
Huh? I don't know.
Upgrade tab open, so I thought I was collecting them, but I just wasn't. I said that already. Am I schizophrenic?
Yes, you are.
Do it.
We leaked one. So I'm gonna... Oh shoot!
You can't say that.
Oh shoot!
I'm pretty sure it's
forgot.
like actually illegal to say that you're gonna do that.
Oh shoot! No, here's $400.
I make more money than that in 2 seconds, but thanks, I guess. I'm joking. Please don't hurt my family. As a public, look at the type of person where someone makes like a lighthearted joke about you, and in the middle of the night they wake up and
How can you please? How can you please?
Seven strong,
Okay.
public.
Alchemy, please! Alchemy, please! 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 Alchemy, please! Alchemy! Okay.
Make sure your alchemist is okay. The alchemists have natural lead popping? I didn't know.
Yes.
Okay, can I get my money back, by the way?
No, I spent it all. I spent it all.
You're gonna be hearing my voice very soon, by the way.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Bro, this goes so hard. This goes so hard. Shit goes so hard.
Capitalism in monkey world. Capitalism in monkey game.
Capital monkey, guys. This is America we're talking about. Yeah, sure. Sure, I just need your financial support.
You're on thin ice, buddy.
Your
Your greed is hurting the economy.
greed is hurting the economy. Bro, that goes
If we haven't
so.
already used that as a thumbnail, we have to use it for this one.
Yo, your greed is hurting the economy.
Yeah, your greed is hurting the economy, Papa.
Your greed is hurting the economy. Your greed is truly hurting the economy.
Your greed is hurting the economy.
Your greed. That's it. Your greed. That's all I gotta say. Your greed.
Hmm?
Your greed.
Your greed.
Your greed.
If we haven't already used that as a thumbnail, I'm totally using it for this video.
Yeah.
It's just too perfect.
Your greed is hurting the economy.
Your greed is hurting this economy. Or hurting the economy.
Hey man, I'm a minimum wage worker. Can I have some money?
Oh shit.
Oh god. Oh. Thank you, God. Actually, we're fine.
Oh, okay. Can I get my money back pretty please? I'm joking. Okay, never mind. I was joking.
Shut the.
Man, don't.
Shut up. Stupid. Yes. Just stupid. Shut you. Shut you. Shut you. Stupid. Stupid wrinkly ass up, bro. Hey, look, guys, it's artillery.
I hate artillery. Every fiber of my being. I'm joking. I don't hate it as much as I hate that. And there's goddamn fucking I hate them.
Artillery.
I hate them so much. I can't breathe.
You just cannot function.
Yeah, I hate them so much that I'm choking. Like, I'm actually choking right now.
What the hell? I don't know what I'm supposed to be. I don't know what I'm doing more, to be honest. I'm gonna get triple barrel.
You're hurting the economy with your goddamn greed, is what you're doing.
Hurting the economy? You know who is? You know who really is hurting the economy?
Who?
Not you.
Yep, that's right. I'm definitely not causing inflation with my 4 money machines. Like, these aren't even farms anymore. These are literally just money machines. How much money is it to upgrade your spectrum? I love that.
Sweet. You guys know what a sweet is? Hey, viewers, you know what a sweet is?
It's the inferior word for candy.
No, like the sweet, as in S-U-I-T-E.
Oh, yeah, that's fancy apartment, like a fancy room.
Yes. Indeed. Um. Oh my god, I saw that flash before our eyes. Oh my god. 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 I'm so high right now.
What?
Come on.
I'm so high right now. Hey, mom.
Huh? Wait, what?
I was laughing at you going, I'm so high right now, and then immediately after going, oh hey mom.
I didn't say hey mom.
You did.
I didn't. My mom didn't walk into my room. I didn't say hey mom.
I swear to crap, you didn't say hey mom.
I swear on my.
Why are you lying to me, Pablo?
I didn't say it.
I'm gonna break your house down, Pablo. Why are you lying to me?
The inflation really goes hard.
Yeah, I'm getting pretty rich from the stuff in here. Oh, can you not put anything in the second loop? I'm gonna put like a ton of these massive shit.
Oh, okay.
Of course, like any other thing.
You're a slug, aren't you?
Oh my
Slug.
god, that was so much money so quickly. Did you see how? Did you see that?
I didn't see that. I wasn't looking.
Okay. Like I made like 50 grand. No, like 20. I think 8 grand in 2 seconds. It was kind of insane.
That's nutty. That's really nutty.
I'm gonna kick you in the nutties.
Marcus Pumpkin.
I bet this is so boring. I bet my POV is so boring. My POV is literally just me, like my mouse staying in one spot and then make thousands upon thousands of dollars.
You force your minimum wage worker to go through extreme, like just force them to go through something terrible.
Bro,
Well,
I'm making a minimum of $6,000 per hour.
yeah. Can I have some?
Here's 4 grand.
Thank you. I work with the Spike Factory with that.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Great heavens!
Oh, great heavens.
It's me.
Oh shit, that was really fast.
Where am I? My wood. Huh? Silence. That's round 69, guys. Okay. I said it was round 69.
Oh, I was not paying attention at all. I was completely spaced out.
Come on.
Well, you need money.
Huh?
I thought you needed money. 5 grand? No, I lost it. I'm so rich,
Zog.
I don't even know. I forgot. I'm so rich, I forgot how to count.
You're gonna grow up to be Adam Sandler.
Imagine being so rich you forget how to count.
Who the hell? Who the hell? Who
I
the
think
hell?
eventually, once I make enough money, I'm going to just sell all my phones and actually trying to play the game instead of doing this.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, 35 HP, 35 HP, 35 HP, 35 HP. Okay, Kai.
I know, you make money. I don't have any right now, so here, you got $6,000. Jump out the next game.
It's really cool. That's really cool. That's really awesome. That's really cool. That's really awesome. Okay, I made the super bunny. We're good.
Okay.
I made the Omega Beast Giganometron.
Okay, I decided what I'm gonna do next. I'm gonna sell these goose handlers because I don't actually really need them, and I'm just gonna go super bunnies.
Okay. Then why did you place down a Toxicinator, bro? Why did you place down a Toxicinator?
Kill
Kill
yourself.
yourself! Bro, you put down a Juggernaut, bro? That's crazy.
I'm gonna set your house on fire. Why do I have $60,000?
Because you do. Can I have some? I'm the minimum wage worker that's carried you through this entire game.
Here's a. Oh, that was way more. Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
That was way more than I
Bro, just instantly gave me like $60,000. That goes really hard.
I meant to do like 30,000, but I clicked too fast.
You do it! Suffering from success, guys.
Suffering from success. Oh, hold on. I have the perfect thing for this. Get this.
It's gone already. It died.
Next, free play. Why
Free
does that only
play.
give us 88 monkey money? Hold on, don't start it yet. I'm doing something.
My bad. What did it sound like from your person?
Pain.
Good morning, USA.
It sounded like if you threw Bruce Wayne into a KFC
What the hell?
I can't actually remember. Can you get multiple tier 5 guys in this game?
No.
Can't.
Yeah.
You can? You can't.
You cannot get multiple tier 5s.
Fine. Okay.
Can I have some money? I'm a minimum wage worker, man.
Buy the upgrade and give you
We'll see about that.
I bought the upgrade. Anyway, here's $6,000.
Okay, that's cool. I'm just gonna put on like, what the hell? What the? Why can't I click on anything? Help. Okay, now I can click on stuff.
How much? How much? I have 286,000 XP from banana farms.
Bro, shut your bitch ass up, Geraldo. I'm turning off the hero noises. Can you hear my iPad from your thing? I don't know. So the viewers have to put up with this.
Yeah, I think so.
Bro, my spec factory did not upgrade one bit. That's crazy. Oh, that's bad. That's really bad. Yeah. But later on, it's gonna be really bad. Like, really, really bad. Like, so incredibly bad, it's gonna be really bad, really, really, really bad.
What was that?
Huh?
What was that?
What do you mean, what was that?
I swear I just saw something like pop up.
That was the rejuvenation potion, or whatever the hell it's called. That's a lot of,
Yeah, my theory is back up.
that's really cool.
You have no idea what happened right now. Oh, I just got a perma-spec of how bad I'm lagging.
You just got a permit, what?
Yeah, I'm lagging so hard that if I spam click on something, even if I don't have it unlocked or I don't have enough money for it, it will buy it.
That's really nutty.
You remember when that happened before?
Yeah, I did update the beast handler without even having the beast handler upgrade.
Yeah.
That goes hard though.
Okay, what was the upgrade I wanted to take? It doesn't work. I think it only works for, when it's only one. Yeah. Okay.
You know why I hate,
Power shift.
you know why I hate the motor monkey so much?
What?
Look at his hat. Or his helmet, I mean.
I can't look at anything right now. Like, this is like, the whole screen is completely destroyed.
If you look at the, excuse me, you know what, no. So, I upgrade the motor monkey, right? And then, so, you see its hat, right? Or its helmet, or whatever the hell you want to call it. The reason I hate the motor monkey so much is because of that. You want to know why? Because it looks like the British, the British World War II hat. And we don't like the Brits around here.
I got a free around 101, Pablo.
Guys, round 101. Round 101, 101. If you do what you do, you do it and then it happens. Rabies. I'm lagging so terribly, bro. Well, I'm about to blow.
I was hoping that it lagged so hard it didn't I think theoretically it could work.
So back when the greetings. American greetings. American greetings. What do you guys think of American greetings? Do you think it's a good company? Or do you think it's a really bad company that should not exist?
I don't know what it is.
Too bad. That's really cool. I really have nothing else to say other than that's really cool.
It's so chaotic.
I mean, what did you expect with balloons, bro? There's nothing sane about balloons. Like I can feel my iPad starting to, it's starting to burn hotter than hell. It's starting to burn hotter than the underworld. Hey, Zach. You should get Armor 3, download now for free. Batteries not included, batteries still separated. Oh, you know what you should do? You should actually do? Supply your minimum wage worker. Yeah. What the hell?
Yeah, I had $130,000.
No, this goes hard. Yeah. We can have this going for like forever until we stop having it going forever. I don't know.
Thanks for the help, Pablo.
I don't know, bro. I haven't played this game in like 5 quadrillion years, bro.
I've totally maxed out
The Auburn. The Auburn. 9 quadrillion. Quadratic. Whoa, what the hell?
This is the farthest we've ever gotten. How far did you go? You have $5,000 since the action figure?
Yes, I do. I'm surprised you noticed. Hey. No.
Oh, okay.
Give me more, dude. Give me more money. Give me more money.
First of all, you have your own farm, so I don't need to give you that much money. And second of all, I can give you
Oh god, oh god, oh god, this is really bad, this is really bad, this is really bad, this is really bad, this is really bad. Never mind, we're good.
I don't know where my mouse is.
Oh, we just lost. We just lost.
What the